2016 Dart. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on-off, body color bumpers, speed control. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, rear side airbags, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel, overhead console. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.